Hello! In this video, we will see how to connect ChatGPT and WhatsApp on Windows. To start, open your browser and search Ava AI. Click to open getava.io. Here you can see the WhatsApp icon. Click on it and then click on Continue to Chat. You can use it by either downloading WhatsApp or by using it via WhatsApp Web. To show you, I'm using WhatsApp Web. Your ChatGPT AI assistant is now ready to chat. Now go to its profile. Here you can see that it's facing downtime due to upgrades. Paid users will receive a free month. It shows that you need to buy a premium plan from the link in the bio to have instant access. If you found this video helpful, you can thank me with a like and subscribe to the channel. See you in another video.